So students, this is the question and answers of the chapter second word. What is the role of page layout tab? So on the page number 20, you can see the memory tips first. Page layout describe how each page of our document will appear when it is printed. So this is the first answer. Okay, the page layout tabs role. The second question, what is orientation? So you can see on the orientation is on page number 13, orientation. Clear? So you will write from the this menu gives a page a portrait and landscape view. This line, only single line you will write as answer of question second. And the question number third is name the different positions of an object which comes under position option. So here are some position options. So you will write as a more layout option and position option, wrap text and text wrapping size. Okay, all these points you will write as a answer. Again, I'm explaining you. First you will write the position, then you will write more layout position, then you will write wrap text and text wrapping and size. Okay, as the answer of question number third. Then what is wrap text? What are the option the come under it? So same come under it. Two option is come under it. So you will write two options, text wrapping and size. And what is text wrapping? So you will write answer. It helps us to choose how our text wraps around the selected object. Clear? So this line you will write as an answer. Again, I am explaining this wrap text. Here the wrap text in the bold letters, red letters, इसके नीचे दिया हुआ है. It helps us to choose how our text wrap around the selected object. So this is the answer number 4. Then fifth answer, what is spacing? Explain in brief. So spacing, it means this spacing, you can see here the spacing on the page number 17, spacing green letters. Okay, this option helps to us to arrange the space between paragraphs in a document. It contains 2 points, space before, space after. Okay, so this thing you will write as answer. This option helps us to spacing after. Okay, this is the answer number 5. Next is what is hyphenation. You will write as a hyphenation. So hyphenation here, page number 15. When a word moves out of the space, MS Word normally moves it down to the next line. And when we select the hyphenation option, MS Word hyphenates the word instead. Okay, till instead you will write an answer of hyphenation. Clear? Next is what are breaks and what are different option comes under it. So students, as an answer of the position object. Okay, the question number 3rd, you can write the answer of the memory tips. Last position option help us to choose the place where we want to put our object. Okay, you can use this answer also. And for the hyphenation, you can use the last third. Hyphenating helps in the creating more uniform spacing and saves space in our document. You can write these 2 answers also. Okay, and if you're not writing, don't worry, but you can write these also. And what are breaks? What are different option comes under it? Breaks. So last breaks. You can see on the page number 14, break. So when we are typing a document, Word automatically adds a page break at the end of each page. Depends on where we've set our margins. Clear? And we can also use section breaks to control the formatting of our document. And you will use 2 points, page break and section break. Okay, these 2 points you will write as a answer. So from the breaks, red bold letters, capital letters, when we are typing to section breaks, you will write answer as a section break. Understood, everyone? And dear students, please have to try to do yourself the answers then. Okay, and if you're facing any problem, you can ask to me in our next class. Clear? Students, here the answer of the page, chapter number 1, what is computer system? Okay, so we can see here what is computer system. Computer system, it means a computer system consists of hardware and software components that they to computer. Okay, there are the 2 lines in the one word computer starting off the page number 5. Here are the 2 lines. I hope you understood. This is the first answer. And the second question is, what is hardware? And name any 2 internal hardware and external hardware. What is software is the third question. So the answer is, what is hardware? So you can see here on the page number 5, hardware refers to object that we can actually touch, like disk, display to and chips. Okay, 2 lines you will use as answer, and write any external and internal hardware. So external hardware, you can see here the black letters, external hardware. So from these examples you will write any 2, like keyboard, microphone. Okay, any 2 you will use. And internal hardware, same here, list is here, any 2 names you will write. The next question is the software. So page number 6, software refers to the software to, second line, electronically is software. Understood? Next question is, what are some general kinds of application that software includes? So we can see here some general kinds of application software includes. From the page number I have already given to you, but I'm just explaining again all the question and answers. It's easy to understand better by page number, but okay, doesn't matter. So some general kinds of application software includes here 2 points you will use as a presentation of software, and CAD CAM software. Any 2 points you will write in the as a answer of this question. Clear? Next question is, what is binary number, then what is decimal number, and then what is hexadecimal number? So what is binary number? On the page number 7, see the green letters, binary number system. So you will write the answer. Digital computer represent all kind of information and data in the binary system, and binary number system consists of 2 digits, 0 and 1, and its base or radix is 2. Clear? And each digit or bit in binary number system can be 0 and 1. Till third line, 0 and 1, you will write the answer. Next, decimal number, same. From the decimal number system 2, you will write as a 19 is the number after 9 is 10, and the number after 19 is 20, and the fourth. So you will write as the 9 and 9. Clear? Third line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Okay, you will write as a answer. Last question is hexadecimal. So on the page number 9, hexadecimal, सबसे ऊपर green letters, hexadecimal number system. So you will just clear here. So hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digit form 0 to 9, and A to F the alphabets are to F present decimal number from 10 to 15, and the base of this number system is 16. Each digit position is hexadecimal system represent a power of 16. Clear? So third line, power of 16 तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.